This video is sponsored by codingskill.net. Please visit our sponsor. Write a program that does not take any input and that does not return any output. You have 5 seconds to write this program. Pause the video now and write the program to solve this problem. Let's work through longest palindrome substring problem. Input string can be represented by this. String S is a sequence of characters from 0 all the way to n-1, which is the last character of the string. It is of length n. We want to find the longest palindrome substring contained within this string. This is an optimization problem. We will apply dynamic programming. What is the size of the problem? Size of the problem is the length of the string n. What is the base case? The smallest instances correspond to strings of length 0 or 1. Let's look at the problem decomposition step. We discard a character at the extremes of the string. Let's look at the code. We have already worked through this problem in an earlier video on palindrome. So this is the code that checks if a given string is a palindrome. So we need this palindrome method to implement our logic. So let's look at the longest method. The longest method takes one parameter, and this is the string. We want to find the longest palindrome substring. We first check the length of this string. If this string is palindrome, we return that particular string. Otherwise, we are going to have some recursive cases. This is the case where we have the entire string can be a longest palindrome substring. Let's now look at the else part. In the else part, we will first calculate the longest substring by passing in the second character all the way to the end of the string. So this discards the first character of the string. So this is the subproblem. We exclude the first character. And SX2 will be the longest of the other possibility, which is excluding the last character in the string. So we go from the first character all the way to the character 1 less than the last character. So this is the LPS does not contain the last character. So in this case, this is the subproblem. And we check if SOX1 length is greater. We return SOX1, which is the string consisting of string that excludes the first character. Otherwise, we return SOX2, which is the longest palindrome substring that excludes the last character of the string. So what is the runtime of this longest method? The runtime is given by this equation, and this corresponds to the call to palindrome. Sign up for your free coding interview coaching call. Sign up for your free coaching call by going to codinginterview.coach.